All right, well, we're out in the shop today. I'm going to bring you over to show you what we're working on. We're doing a new bandana order for our client, Benjamin Obdyke. They manufacture all sorts of products to help keep your house and construction projects dry. So take a look here. We're looking at one of their bandanas coming off the belt right now. It's a nice one-color print. You can barely feel it. Protect the craft. This is their new bandana design. Let me let you get a closer look at it over here. This is a bandana project where we haven't gone off the edges, but if you wanted your bandana project to go off the edge, we could certainly do that. So here at AMBRO Manufacturing, we are a contract printer for bandanas, t-shirts, and other items. So we really hope that Benjamin Obdyke likes their new bandana. We really think they will.